Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to easily pair the AirPods Pro or regular AirPods to any Android device. So when I say any Android device, as long as the phone has Bluetooth, you'll be able to connect your AirPods or your AirPods Pro to the Android. The one disadvantage of connecting AirPods or AirPods Pro to Android over iOS is you don't have the options inside the settings to change the noise cancellation, the transparency mode. You have to do that by holding the stem of the AirPod Pro itself. If you have regular AirPods, that really isn't an issue to worry about at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up settings, and then we're going to find connections, and then we're going to find Bluetooth. Now, depending on what device you have, that process might be slightly different. Then we're going to open up the AirPods Pro lid. So let me just open it up. Make sure both AirPods are inside. Then you're going to hold down until you see the AirPods Pro in the available devices section. So there might be a possibility that because I've already paired the AirPods before, it causes some issues. And it seems like it does. So let me just make sure that I unpair this. And we're just going to try again. And there you go. Available devices, Alpha's AirPods Pro. Tap on that and it should pair. So we'll just tap on OK. And once the AirPods are paired, you can see the green light shows up. So now you can also see Bluetooth. All the audio is going to be sent to your AirPods instead of your Android device. Now, if we just go to settings, you can change the use. So if you want calls to go through the AirPods, you can do that. And same with audio. And you can also rename the AirPods and you can also unpair them. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, smash like. Very simple video. And I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.